Somebody's teething. Not feeling so well today. Fussy pants. Say hi, Granny. Where'd you go, Granny? Where's Granny? Where's Granny? Yeah. Where is she? Oh, I said the magic word. Granny pants. Who are we missing, Gavin? Miss Tadoobie. She's the big girl. Miss Happy. Hi, Liv. Hi. Look at you, big girl, playing with your toys. Liv, where's Granny? Where's Granny? Liv. Hey, Liv. Big girl. Big girl. Liv. Say hi. Say bye-bye.